Hello everyone, Jacketing here. Welcome to PH2 Racing Lab, Alan. And today, the FD gets some new fancy bits. Jazz hands for effects. Alright, drum roll please, Alan. What are we doing today that is so ultra fancy that these things had to come from halfway around the world for your little FD?
Well, we got some carbon bits.
And some non-carbon bits
And
too.
and that too.
But we are very hyped and we are very excited because as the natural hot boys that we are, we love this stuff. Alright, unwrap it please. I'll hold this.
Okay.
Do the honors.
I'll try.
Also, shout out to our good friend Arisa.
Shout out to Arisa for making this happen. We'll link her Instagram. She's way more famous than us. I don't know why she helped us on this.
Yeah.
But like she did, and she's the nicest person in the world. And now we have these from all the way from Japan.
Some eagle-eyed people might already figure out what it is.
A carbon fiber FD bumper. You take away my jack stands, how am I going to make this open now? Super uber ultra fancy because it weighs like £1.5 pounds.
Actually?
It's not heavy at all. And also it comes with a car shop little lights. Thank you. More importantly, Mr. Anda Suzuki signed it. Full throttle carbon.
And on 7th day.
On 7th day. Yeah, that's fucking hot boy. And that's not the only thing we got.
Yep.
What's the backstory of this?
How did you find it? Well, where this car originally from? What's this car?
This car is one of under Suzuki's RX7s, I believe. It's owned by his brother, from what I can gather. And my good friend Ben Mitch found this on the internet, but because he cannot read Japanese, he thought it was, 10 times more than what it actually is. Yeah, and he sent the listing to me as a joke, and I didn't tell him how much it's actually worth after I actually bought it because it's actually pretty cheap. We got it for $1,500, I think,
Plus shipping.
plus $1,800 plus shipping.
Yeah.
So it's very cool.
It's also just not just the bumper.
It's not just the bumper.
As Jackie's,
This is my favorite bit of an FD project because we also got the, what are these again? This
These are the TCP Magic.
The TCP Magic. If you've ever played Need for Speed, you'd know because this is the like the option you get, and it's the race car as hell fenders that you get. Lightly used, I'd wager, lightly used. They're fiberglass, they're not carbon fiber.
Not nearly as fancy.
Not nearly as fancy, a decent chunk heavier.
Yeah.
But they do fit.
Yeah, and it's a lot wider than what I have.
And it's wider, which means we'll be able to do like 355s in the front of the FD if we really want to. Alex is freaking out in the background, thinking about like, oh my god, all the suspension kinematics is gonna go wrong.
It's fine.
But we don't care because we're hot boys and we want this. It's really funny because if we bought these just the fenders alone in the US, it would have cost more than what we did getting everything together.
How much are those fenders supposedly?
I think the fenders alone are $2,000.
Yeah, the fenders alone are $2,000, which makes this the steal of a century. So basically, we bought like fenders for cheap from Japan and got a free carbon fiber bumper.
Like a half a car shop glow.
Only half.
Only
for
half.
some reason.
Only half. Mr. Anderson did some interesting development on the car. So that's why there's one hole on this side, but not on the other. Because I believe this was an oil cooler.
This was an oil cooler.
That they built a full duct and it fed the air straight out at the headlight. So they didn't have a headlight, they just ducted straight out this way to let the air escape this way. So, I mean, we just got a hole in our bumper for no real reason, but we'll see what we want to do with it.
I mean, we can repurpose it to cool something.
Yeah.
Which we're going to test it today.
Yeah.
Oh, are we testing?
We're test fitting today. We're test fitting today.
I don't give a shit.
We're test fitting today.
Okay.
Also, we're gonna take it off just to like we're gonna PPF the inside of the bumper.
Yeah, only the signature.
Only the signature
Only the
part.
signature.
The bump outside the bumper doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
We love you, Anderson. We are big fans of Time Attack, and we love crazy builds, and I think it's just the JDM culture of that kind of Tsukuba crazy Time Attack stuff. That's what drove us into this, right?
And also, he's people's hero.
Yeah, like
Because he started as a privateer, just like us.
Well, yeah. Well, he still is.
He still is.
We still are. Yeah. And I like the spirit. So,
So are you gonna start signing bumpers?
I already signed bumpers for people, motherfucker.
Dear viewers, if you want a feed front end setup, do email us.
Because he's selling his.
Yeah, I'm authentic. So, you know, just
Wow.
let us know.
Alan literally went into like, fuck lunch, I'm just gonna like start cranking away mode.
You have never seen me work so hard on anything.
I've never seen you work so hard on absolutely anything.
Thank you.
Dude, your car is fucking dirty. says Jackie.
Says Jackie.
who I don't know has like a million offs in the Supra, and yeah, you don't want to look underneath that one.
Also, I have to point out, this man
Spent 20
bucks each.
All rotor shaped freaking spacers for your fenders, and there's like 6 of these just for the fenders.
I mean, they are really, really cool.
Oh shit, there's a rotary shaped indent on the bottom.
After all of these, your car is gonna have 8 rotors. 6 on the fenders, 2 in the engine bay.
I actually have 4 for the bumper too.
Oh my god.
Sitting in my glove box.
Oh my god.
Have I mentioned I built this front end? I'm very proud of it.
Maybe you know what? We should start a like yard sale or like a garage sale session on our web store. Just for like random shit. Voila.
Naked RX7.
Oh my god. It might actually work perfectly with the other wheels.
Yeah, it's a lot wider, isn't it? However, there's a slight problem. You see, I have these extra hotboi feed fender braces.
Also, I guess more feet part for sale.
Yes, I guess. Or we can trim this and
What if I take out the brace and then at least mount this and figure out what to do next?
yeah,
Because
sure.
as soon as you start cutting, it's non-reversible,
Yeah.
right?
Okay, but we're
Yeah.
gonna take off the braces
Yeah.
and we'll see. Yeah, it's quite a bit wider, isn't it?
Wow, that's like 1.5 inches?
Probably.
Yeah.
Which is perfect for that set of wheels.
I mean, we got the wheels like
We got the wheels right there.
right there, so you know. All right, test for the bumper, then test for the wheel.
I guess, yeah.
Alright, you know what? This looks fucking sick. Alan, drop the hood.
Alright, okay. Let's see.
Oh. Yeah, well, that's a menacing time attack looking FD.
Also, my 18 by 10 looks like.
Yeah.
You're 18 by 10.
by 10 disappeared.
Yes, this turned out a lot better than we expected.
Yeah. Remember, you guys said you hate the front bumper, your front
No.
bumper. You might not need it.
No.
You said you might not use it.
Yeah. No, we're using this.
I think the only problem is which we know is not true. Make the front end look wider than the rear.
Yeah.
Actually, we know it's not true because it's actually about the same.
Hey, you want to know something really crazy though?
Okay.
My air dam's perfect. My air dam is still perfect setup for this. Look.
Oh shit.
My
Almost perfect.
yeah, almost. It's pretty close. That's a cool looking car.
Wow, I'm heavy. Hi. You can just zero it, right?
Jesus Christ, bro. Alan's is zeroed. Hey, Alex.
Hold this.
This is the new bumper.
New bumper. It weighs.
Okay, new bumper with the fucking light in here too.
Yeah,
With a turn
with the
signal light.
signature.
Yeah.
How much is this?
A whopping 6 pounds.
6 pounds.
And what about the feed one?
Alright, what about
With
the feed one?
canards?
With no lights.
Wow.
Wow.
13?
13.
13. So it's about half
Yes.
With the light.
with the light.
With the light.
So if we get rid of the light, it'll be even lighter.
We didn't weight the fender versus fender.
Would that fit with
But that fender's lighter.
The fenders, yeah.
fender-
No, that fender's
fender's
definitely
lighter.
is actually lighter.
Definitely lighter.
Yeah.
Of course, Alex had some spare Subaru wheels
Oh yeah.
lying around. 18 by what? 18 by 10 and a half. 295 squared.
Yeah, 295/30.
That looks much proper. Very proper, Alan.
Yeah, it's a lot more aggressive, shall we say.
You happy?
Oh yeah.
Happiest day of his life.
This year.
This year. Yeah, no spacer. We checked plenty of clearances inside. Plenty of clearance inside and outside to fit even bigger wheels. So 18 by 12s, baby. 315s. Man, this thing is gonna absolutely rip, dude.
So we're co-driving this next year?
Say no more.
Okay.
Say no more.